Hello students, in my last video we have learned the preparation of lyophobic salts by one of the important dispersion method, electrical dispersion method. Okay, today I will discuss another important dispersion method for the preparation of lyophobic salt. Okay, the method is peptization. The method is peptization. The first step in peptization is the preparation of precipitate. Then, second step, we have to add suitable electrolyte into that precipitate. Then what we can observe after the addition of the electrolyte into that freshly prepared precipitate. Yes, that freshly prepared precipitate particles will break into colloidal size. This method, this dispersion method is called peptization. Then, what is meant by peptization? Peptization is the process of converting freshly prepared precipitate into colloidal form by the addition of suitable electrolyte to it. That is called peptization. Yes, peptization means what? The process of converting a freshly prepared precipitate into colloidal form by the addition of a suitable electrolyte. Then what is the cause of peptization? Yes. Then, please listen. By adding suitable electrolyte to a precipitate, to a freshly prepared precipitate, the precipitate particles, the bigger precipitate particles, the precipitate particles having the size greater than 1000 nanometer may absorb suitable ions from that electrolyte. Okay? Then, after the adsorption of ions of the electrolyte by the precipitate particle become charged particles. The charged particles repel one another and the precipitate particles, the bigger particles, breaks into colloidal sized particles. Yes, cause of peptization. When an electrolyte is added to a freshly prepared precipitate, the suitable ions from the added electrolyte are absorbed by the particles of the precipitate. The charged particles, the charged precipitate particles repel one another and the precipitate particles breaks into colloidal size. Then, please see the example for peptization. We can prepare ferric hydroxide salt by this method. Yes. By the addition of the electrolyte FeCl3 solution, ferric chloride solution, to the ferric hydroxide precipitate. The ferric hydroxide precipitate absorb Fe3 plus ions from the added electrolyte. Then the precipitate particles get charged, become positively charged. These positively charged particles repel one another, repel each other, and the precipitate particles breaks into colloidal sized particles. That means here we convert freshly prepared ferric hydroxide precipitate into ferric hydroxide sold by the addition of the suitable electrolyte ferric chloride. Yes, this is an example. FeOH thrice sold. Ferric hydroxide salt can be prepared by adding a small quantity of FeCl3 solution electrolyte into freshly prepared FeOH thrice precipitate. In this case, Fe3 plus ions from FeCl3 are absorbed by ferric hydroxide precipitate. Okay? Okay, students. In my next video, we will discuss the next method, condensation method, for the preparation of lyophobic salt. Okay? Goodbye. Study well.